This is Redfeather from Grepax. In this Kdenlive video, we will be showing you another way to split screen using a transition called video quality measurement. Open Kdenlive, bring in the two videos you would like to use, place them on the timeline one on top of the other. Once this is done, click on the Kdenlive transitions list, scroll all the way down to video quality measurement, dragging it to the timeline, placing it in between the two videos. Drag the transition to the full extent of both videos. Once this is done, you should now see both videos in a split screen fashion. Although, take note, in the project monitor, the top video is now the bottom and needs further adjustment. For this adjustment, we will use a Kdenlive effect. So, click on the Kdenlive effects list, scroll down to crop and transform, and click. Then scroll down to rotate and shear, grabbing the effect, placing it in the video that needs to be adjusted. The only adjustment needed for my Kdenlive video is the Access Y function. And I know the magic number, so I will manually type it in. You can also adjust your video using the crosshair in the center of the video. If this causes the video to move to the right or left, place the X-axis back to 0. Once you are happy with your Kdenlive split screen project, render away. The rest of this video is my rendered project. I hope you have enjoyed this Kdenlive video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber and ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.